Hello, dear learners. I, Abdul Jabbar, lecturer in Department of Electrical Engineering, Muhammad Haji Sabu Siddiq Polytechnic, Baikala, Mumbai. The topic of today's session is suspension type insulator. The learning outcomes of the session are: the learner will be able to represent any suspension insulator string by electrical equivalent circuit, describe the reason for non-uniform distribution of voltage across the string, and explain the significance of string efficiency. Let us consider a single unit of suspension insulator with two metal links fixed on the top and bottom of the insulator. The top end of the metal link is fixed to the cross arm and the bottom end is connected to the conductor. This assembly is fixed to supporting structure made up of steel known as steel pole or steel tower. This is used to hang the line conductor above the ground level to create ground clearance and also to avoid flow of current from the conductor to the supporting structure. Recall and write the answer for the question given on the screen. If two metal plates or metal rods are separated by insulating material, constitute, write your answer in 30 seconds. I hope you wrote the answer as capacitor. If two metal links or metal plates are separated by insulating material, constitute capacitor. And its value is given by C is equal to epsilon into A divided by D, where epsilon is permittivity of insulating or dielectric material, A is area of the plate, and D is the distance between the plate or thickness of insulation. With the above concept, we can represent a disk of suspension insulator by equivalent capacitor, because the disk of insulator behaves like a dielectric material or insulating material placed between two metal links, constitute capacitor. Therefore, each unit of suspension insulator can be represented by capacitor and is denoted by letter C, known as self or mutual capacitance. A single unit is designed to withstand operating voltage of 11 kV. Think and write the answer for the question given on the screen. How many units of insulators are required to form a string to work on 33 kV line? Write your answer in notebook. Obviously, your answer is 3, because the number of units required in the string of suspension insulator is equal to operating voltage of the line divided by the withstanding voltage of each unit. Here 33 kV divided by 11 kV equal to 3. Hence, a string of 3 insulators able to withstand a voltage of 33 kilovolt. Each disc is replaced by equivalent capacitor. Hence, a string of suspension insulator is represented by capacitors in series as shown in the diagram. The capacitance of each unit is equal because the insulating discs are identical in nature, that is, their size and shape or the dimensions are of same, hence the capacitance is equal. The capacitors are connected in series. The current through all the capacitor is same and hence the voltage drop across them. If the applied voltage across the string is V, then voltage across each unit is equal to V by 3. In actual practice, the voltage across each unit is not the same because of capacitance formed between metal link and steel structure. Metal link and steel structure behaves like conducting plates and in between air is the insulating medium. Due to this, formation of capacitance takes place between metal link and steel structure known as shunt capacitance and is represented by C1 as shown in the figure. This shunt capacitance carries current I1, I2 and I3, make non-uniformity of current through the string. Earlier it was uniform. Now we know that the distribution of voltage across each unit is no more equal due to the formation of shunt capacitance. The voltage drop across the unit near to the conductor is always maximum as compared to the rest of the units, and hence the insulator unit which is nearest to the conductor is always under more electric stress and there are maximum chances of its failure. The potential stress gradually decreases when you move towards cross arm. Think and answer to the question given on the screen. The chances of failure of insulator unit near to the conductor were maximum. Why? Write your answer in 30 seconds. Since the voltage across the unit near to the conductor is stressed with more voltage, hence it likely to fail. Therefore, uniform distribution of voltage across each unit increases the life of string. Therefore, a term is used to identify the life of the string by taking string efficiency. It is defined as the ratio of voltage across the string to the product of number of units in the string and voltage across the unit nearest to the conductor. Therefore, string efficiency equal to V divided by N into Vn, where V is the voltage across whole string it is the phase voltage, N number of insulator units in the string, and Vn is the voltage across the unit nearest to the conductor. The voltage distribution across units of suspension insulator is given by the following equation, where V1 is the voltage across the unit near to the cross arm, V2 is the voltage drop across the unit at the mid of the string, and V3 is the voltage across the unit near to the conductor. The voltage across whole string is given by the summation of all the voltage across the units. If all the above equations are expressed in terms of the ratio, we will have the above equation. If the value of m is equal to 0 is assumed, then the voltage across each unit becomes equal, that is V1 equal to V2 is equal to V3 equal to V by 3. It indicates that the voltage distribution across the unit is equal. Smaller the value of m, more uniform is the voltage distribution. In other words, lesser the value of shunt capacitance, more uniform will be the voltage distribution. From the above discussion, we can summarize the whole session into the following points. The insulator nearest to the conductor is always under electrical stress and more likely to fail. Uniformly distributed voltage across the string increases the life of insulator unit. The ratio of shunt capacitance to self capacitance is kept as minimum as possible to increase the string efficiency and life of the insulator string. Thank you for patient listening. If you have any doubt, kindly mail me. Thank you.